Hi everyone, I'm out here at Highmark Stadium, the official home of the Buffalo Bills and the Buffalo Bills RV show. So I'm here and I figured I would check out some campers. So we have a truck that we can tow a camper with, but obviously I'm in the market for a camper and I'm not quite sure which one will suit me, but I've heard really great things about the KZ Confluence. So I figured I'm gonna come and check it out. So right here, you can see a whole list of everything that includes. What I was told about this and what really drew me to it is the solar package with the lithium battery upgrade. So it can last 7 days off-grid, which for me is absolutely perfect for adventures because I like to go off-grid in the mountains, hiking, hunting, fishing, you name it. So this seems like it might be the perfect fit for me. I'm gonna take a walk inside, but they also have these other things. I'll read them off really quickly for you. The 3,000 watt inverter, a slide topper, which is very important to have on your camper if you have a slide out. It will just help protect it. Your hardwired surge protector, vent cover, fantastic fan upgrade. Oh, I like that, fantastic, they even threw it in there. Mattress upgrade, memory foam mattress, tire pressure monitor, Wi-Fi extender, so I can do work on the go and really enjoy my adventures and bring my work with me. So the Wi-Fi is extremely important. And then Sway Pro and Sway Control for driving. Obviously, you definitely want that. So let's take a look inside. So we're inside the Confluence RV and this is beautiful. So this is the bed that they were talking about. 6-inch memory foam mattress. Feels really cozy. I could actually take a nap right now. For some reason, I'm really tired. And then we got a table here, which folds down to a bed. Nice and easy. It's set up for some snacking right now. We got our TV up top. Rotates so you can get all different angles. And I'm assuming it probably pushes in a little bit too. I'm not gonna play around too much. And now this is really fancy. These seats, so they have a heater, but then they're also massage seats. So it's exciting. After a long day of hiking, you can come back, relax, and get a nice little massage. They feel really nice too. Those cushions feel really nice. We have our fridge. This is a really nice size fridge, actually. It's much larger than a lot of campers that I've seen, so this is really nice. By a lot of campers I've seen, I mean my parents at home. We got our propane oven. Well, oven and stovetop here. Microwave, some more storage. Beautiful sink. Check it out. These faucets I actually have in my own house, so these are pretty nice faucets. And this is probably one of my favorite things to look at campers. I don't know why, but it's one of my favorites. Probably because I'm always surprised at how big they are. So the bathrooms. This bathroom is beautiful. You have a full shower. It's really nice. So here's another thing. This RV is really pet friendly. I love this feature. How cute is that? And on the outside, there's actually a leash hook, so that way you can tie up your pets outside and don't have to worry about them running away. And then you can easily feed them right here. I love that feature. So this was my first walk through the KZ Confluence, and it is a really nice camper. This is perfect for me because it's pet friendly, but also as you look at the flooring and the furniture, it seems like it's really easy to clean. I like to hike, hunt, you know, all the above, so I oftentimes get a little muddy. So nice, easy to clean, and this is one that I'm gonna add to my list of possibilities for taking out on the road.